Look no further than avocado seeds if you're looking for a healthy snack to keep you full and satisfied. This video will look at some of the health benefits of these little gems, including their antioxidant properties and ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, they're packed with monounsaturated fats, making them suitable for your heart and waistline. So why not give them a try next time you have a craving for something sweet? So what exactly are avocado seeds? Avocado seeds are a unique part of the avocado. While they look like small seeds, they're tiny versions of the fruit's pulp. In fact, there are 4 different kinds of avocado seeds: brown, black, green, and pink. Each one has its distinct flavor and texture as well. In some parts of the world, like Latin America and the Caribbean, these seeds are used in cooking. In others, like the Philippines and Indonesia, they're ground into a powder and used to add a savory flavor to dishes. Here are the health benefits of avocado seeds. 1. Avocado seeds can serve as a weight loss agent. The human body needs fats to function properly. A lack of fat in the human diet can lead to all sorts of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and osteoporosis. Avocado seeds are high in fat and contain healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, the good kind. They help to lose weight by increasing the weight loss hormone known as adiponectin. Adiponectin is released by fat cells into the bloodstream, and it causes the body to burn more fat. This way, you can lose weight without feeling hungry. Also, avocados are rich in fiber and help keep you feeling full. 2. Avocado seeds boost cardiovascular health. A significant reason why people die from cardiovascular diseases is that they consume too much cholesterol. Cholesterol is essential to the human body and is required for many organs to function correctly. Elevated cholesterol levels lead to heart disease, strokes, and cardiovascular problems. Fortunately, avocados are one of the few foods with a large amount of good cholesterol. One medium avocado contains about 300 milligrams of good cholesterol, much more than the recommended daily allowance. Eating avocado seeds can help prevent the development of diseases that are associated with high cholesterol levels. Avocado seeds are incredibly healthy and nutritious, but it's essential to know how to use them. Avocado seeds can be used as a seasoning or added to your daily diet. You can add it to your salads, sandwiches, and omelets. 3. Avocado seeds have anti-inflammatory effects on the human body. Inflammation is a normal response to injury, infection, or damage. However, inflammation can lead to rheumatoid arthritis and other chronic diseases in the wrong conditions. Anti-inflammatory properties are found in avocado seeds, making them beneficial for people with inflammatory conditions. The seeds feature a high concentration of lignans, which are a phytochemical. Lignans are good fats that reduce inflammation and ease the pain. They also contain a small amount of omega-3 acids, which promote healthy brain development and cellular regeneration. 4. Avocado seeds can help prevent the growth or proliferation of cancerous cells. Cancerous cells grow quickly yet only account for a small portion of the body's cells. They are also very malignant and can spread rapidly throughout the body. These cells often resist chemotherapy, radiation, and other cancer treatments. Avocado seeds are full of antioxidants that help prevent inflammation, which helps prevent cancer cells from spreading. The antioxidants kill cancerous cells by blocking their oxygen supply and nutrients, preventing cancerous cells from growing and spreading. Thanks to compounds like vitamin E, beta-carotene, and lutein, avocado seeds are a good source of anti-inflammatory nutrients. Antioxidants in the seeds also help prevent cancer cells from spreading by blocking blood flow to the tumor. Hence, it would be best to consider taking avocado seeds for their anti-cancer properties. 5. Avocado seeds help keep your skin youthful and maintain your skin's elasticity. Avocado seeds are antibacterial, which can help eliminate bacteria clogging pores or causing acne. They help the skin produce collagen and elastin, 2 proteins that help your skin maintain its tone and elasticity. The seeds also contain a good dose of omega-3 fatty acid, which is beneficial in restoring skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. The body naturally gets rid of dead cells by shedding them when the skin is in its most youthful state, which happens less often as we age. Avocado seed oil is a good source of essential fatty acids, which helps the skin to get rid of these dead cells while also helping your skin retain its youthful glow. The avocado seeds also contain a good amount of vitamin E and antioxidants, essential in keeping your skin hydrated, soothing inflammation, and reducing acne. Consider adding avocado seeds to your diet for their skin toning, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. 6. Avocado seeds can boost your immune system. The avocado seed oil contains a good amount of vitamin C, an essential nutrient in producing antibodies. Vitamin C boosts your body's immune system and promotes its natural defense mechanism against infections. When exposed to a virus or bacteria, your body will produce antibodies that attack foreign substances. These antibodies destroy the invading organisms and protect your body from further infection. 7. Avocado seeds can help with hair growth. If your hair is dry and frizzy, you may want to consider taking avocado seeds for their moisturizing properties. Avocado seed oil is rich in fatty acids that soften the hair structure and make it smooth and shiny. The avocado seed oil has a mild laxative effect, which breaks down the hair structure and allows it to be absorbed by the body. You can wash away excess oil using olive oil and a soft brush. You would have to consume avocado seeds 3 times a week to get optimum results. 8. Avocado seeds relieve digestive disorders. Avocado seeds are a great source of fiber, which is essential in preventing disorders in the digestive system. Fiber is known to reduce inflammation, commonly associated with digestive disorders. The avocado seed oil is rich in oleic acid, which helps neutralize the effects of the toxins in the body and relieves pain caused by constipation. It also promotes bowel movement and prevents bloating. 9. Avocado seeds can help regulate blood sugar. The avocado seed oil is rich in oleic acid, which helps lower blood sugar levels. It has been found to help diabetes. The seeds improve the functioning of the pancreas, which plays a vital role in regulating the blood sugar level. The oleic acid helps increase insulin levels, decreasing blood sugar levels. 10. Avocado seeds are the perfect diuretic. In case you don't know, avocados are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate your body's electrolyte balance. The presence of potassium in avocados helps to increase the flow of urine, which is one more reason people use avocados for their weight loss goals. Also, the high fiber content in avocados makes it an excellent food for people on a diet plan. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 14 amazing avocado leaves benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.